Lahat ng bagay na gusto mong gawin, techie na, pati ghost hunting. Yes, on this segment, alamin natin, and I never knew this, meron palang gadgets that can help detect whether there really are spirits inside a certain space. We have with us TV psychic and paranormal consultant, Iric Cruz, to tell us more about it. Welcome to the show.
Okay.
How long have you been doing this?
For professionally, mga 5 years na. Oo.
Those gadgets were really made to detect spirits or they're used for some other thing and they double lang as...
We just find ways to use them para sa paranormal work.
Okay.
Except this one. Electromagnetic field detector, EMF siya. Ghosts are atomic resonance structures kasi. So, mga energy level nila mababa. So, they need something to wrap around them, electromagnetic field. Yung disruption na yun, nababasa ito. Tumutunog siya.
What's the usual...
Sa studio ba namin meron?
We'll find out later.
Sige, let's find out.
Yeah.
Okay, yan, tutunog.
Tanong ko muna, yung normal na tao, like if you were to, pag tinutok mo yan sa akin, I register a certain...
There's
No.
nothing.
There's nothing.
Kasi ang multo na, wala ng body. Pag nawala na ng body, they need that encasing of
Okay,
electromagnetic.
so pag tumunog siya, that's the only time na meron.
Meron. Tsaka yung compass as well works. Yung old school.
The compass?
Yeah, oo.
Why?
Electromagnetic, it searches for the true north.
Tama,
diba?
tama.
Umiikot lang siya basta-basta.
Okay, so pa natin i-on yan.
Yeah. Pag ino-on mo, tumutunog talaga siya.
May ghost na yan?
Wala.
Wala.
This is just a start-out niya.
Okay, tumunog na.
So, tumutunog siya pag mataas, like LCD or ilaw na malakas na electromagnetic field. So, pag talagang abandoned yung place, walang kuryente,
Mas malakas siya.
doon mo malalaman na
Sensitive
totoo pag tumunog siya. Kasi wala siyang ibang signal na makukuha.
Okay, like ito, makakakuha siya ng cellphone signal, no? Sometimes.
Cellphone sometimes. That's why pag ginagamit ko siya, off yung cellphone ko lagi.
But what about the cell phones of the people who are in the studio?
Proximity siya pag malapit.
Okay, like, we're talking about a distance of how much?
Let's just say
2 meters, 1 meter,
6 inches away.
6 inches away. That's
Kaya pag may multong dumaan sa'yo, pagtas na wala siya bigla, yung sabihin, malayo na agad.
Parang dumaan lang.
Dumaan lang talaga.
We're going to find out now.
Yung next gadget.
This one is a tactical flashlight. Usually kasi paranormal investigations. Mga lugar na delikado, maputik, walang kuryente, abandoned buildings. So you need something reliable. Yung kahit mabaksak, kahit gumulong.
Oh, so that's just a flashlight. It will not detect any spirit.
It's just a flashlight.
A heavy-duty one.
But the red light, it preserves the night vision. And pag nagko-quest ako with cameras din, pag masyadong malakas yung light, hindi ko na ma-focus yung ESP. So I always suggest na red light yung gamitin. So the red light is very useful for detecting yung mga multo.
When you do spirit spirit quests, do you always move in a group or pwedeng isa-isa lang?
May protocol kasi yun eh.
It's like
Usually
diving.
dapat dalawa.
May body. Okay.
Oo, may body. For safety reasons. Pero we try not to go in psychic magkasama. Psychic and someone holding a camera. Yan walang masyadong ESP. Pag dalawa kasi yan, maghalo yung readings nila, magiging bias. One psychic will say, may nakita siya, gagayahin ng isa.
Oh.
So, hindi naman accurate yung reading, pero gagayahin na lang sila.
Okay, ano yung parang cellphone?
This one, digital voice recorder or sound recorder.
You can record the sound that they make, the ghosts.
Meron ba dito sa studio namin? O
Passerbys, marami. Pero yung active, yung mga dumadaan lang talaga.
Passersby. So, paano yan? You see them?
Right now? Well, pagdating ng ganitong panahon, late October, I avoid going out kasi mas marami talaga. So, mas marami talagang...
So, dito meron?
Meron talaga.
Pero happy naman.
Happy?
Oo. Right in that area.
Dressing room.
Dito.
Alam mo, pakita natin yung lungga natin sa dressing room siguro. Meron siya doon. Thank you very much for being on the show. It was wonderful.
Thank you.
Meron kang gustong i-vlog?
Yes, my paranormal center, kaka-umpisa ko pa lang, I started my own already. It's in Don Enriquez sa Commonwealth. You can call me by landline 239-0748 or my cell phone. My main cell phone is 0917-462-2620. Pag may problems kayo regarding career or haunted places, love life, yes.
What do you mean career?
Yung ginagamit ko kasi sa chirology, I look at your hands. Your hands represent a big part of your brain. It's very scientific.
Ano yung
kasi.
tingnan?
Big part of the brain, and then
14 times, your nerves in the hands have 14 times more than any other part ng katawan mo.
and what would it tell you? Like,
It represents more of your brain than any other part of your body.
okay, so
So,
brain, so what you're
yeah.
thinking, what state of...
Yung development mo as a person, it reflects on how your hands have developed.
Really? So our hand changes pala?
It changes
Yes.
through time.
Really?
Oo,
I
as you
didn't know
grow.
that. Oh.
Uy, wag ka muna umuwi ha.
Mamaya, sige,
Mag-usap-usap
oo.
tayong dalawa ha.
Uy, at saka ano ha, ang dressing room natin, kasi feeling ko talaga,
Meron naman talagang tao doon sa dressing room natin.
basta tayong dalawa nandun doon. I won't be scared.
Okay, don't be
Okay. When we come back, thank you.
Thank you,
very much.
Eric. When we
Thank
come
you.
back, si ate gagawa ng tag. Ewan ko kung anong klase. Yan ipapakita niya mamaya sa project.
And si Will Mali naman tuturuan tayo kung paano makipag-friend sa ghost. Hindi, biro lang. Paano mag-restore ng libro na nalubog sa baha. That's next.